I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into an admin account, so changes apply system-wide. Open Settings, then Accounts, and locate Family and other users to find the child or secondary profile. Once you see the user, confirm they're linked to a Microsoft account. This enables screen time controls to sync across devices. If they're not linked, add their email now and invite them. Doing this first prevents later errors and lets you manage time remotely without repeating steps. Next, navigate to the Microsoft Family website or stay in Settings under Family Options to configure screen time. Select the user and open Screen Time to set daily device limits, bedtime restrictions, and per app or game limits. Once done, choose different schedules for weekdays versus weekends to match routines. Make sure to toggle enforcement on for Windows devices and enable app limits for specific programs. This ensures the rules actually block access instead of only reporting usage. Finally, apply your settings and verify them on the controlled PC by signing into that user account and running an app or browsing until the limit would trigger. If limits seem wrong, adjust durations or add exceptions for essential apps. If rules don't apply, make sure the child's Microsoft account is properly linked, the device is online to sync changes, and Windows is updated. As a troubleshooting tip, sign out and back in or restart the device to force a sync. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.